Hey everyone! Welcome back to my new video on Takrim Media.
Top for Best Mini Electric Belt Sander Machine Review 2025.
Number 4.
Specification. Motor material. All copper motor. Body material. 300 for stainless steel. No load temperature. 20 to 45 degrees. Input voltage. 110V to 20V. Output voltage. 1220 for V. Belt size. 330 millimeters.
Number 3.
Feature. The body is made of stainless steel material. Strong and practical. The sand belt is uniform. Not easy to lose sand. More wear resistant. Uses high-speed bearings. High speed. High torque and quieter. The work table angle can be adjusted at will, which is easy to use. With anti-vibration adjustable height foot pads.
Number 2.
Non-slip design, smooth operation, equipped with non-slip features and double bearings for a quiet, high torque motor ensuring smooth operation. Comprehensive accessory kit comes with 10 belts, a cloth wheel, and a grinding wheel, offering a complete set for diverse sanding needs. 7-speed variable speed control, achieve precision with 7-speed control.
Number 1.
Belt sander, tabletop when oscillating belt and spindle sander, high quality motor, equipped with a durable all copper motor. The sander maintains low operating temperatures for prolonged use. Adjustable operating angle, the workbench and body adjust for versatile grinding and polishing on various surfaces. Versatile material compatibility, ideal for sanding wood, plastic, steel, iron, and more. The sander is a versatile tool for craftsmen.
If you enjoy this content and want to see more type of content, be sure to hit subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.